Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the addition reactions. So these reactions are very important in organic reactions. In this, organic compounds will use such as unsaturated compound which having the double and triple bonds like alkenes and alkynes. These unsaturated compounds give the addition reactions with the halogens and hydrogen bromides which are shown below. Here in this example, ethene react with the bromine to form the 1,2-dibromoethane. In another this reaction, this ethene react with the hydrogen bromide to form the ethyl bromide. In another example of alkyne or triple bond compounds, this acetylene react with the chlorine to form the trans 1,2-dichloroethene, and subsequently again this dichloroethene react with the chlorine to form the tetrachloroethane, 1,1,2,2 tetrachloroethane. As per the Markovnikov rule, this rule is applied on the addition reaction of the double bond with the hydrogen halide. When we do the addition of HBr with the unsymmetrical alkene in such a way in which negative part of this Br minus goes to that carbon atom to the double bond which carries lesser number of hydrogen atoms. This is the reaction in which propene HBr react, H is the plus and Br is the minus sign. This Br will react on this second carbon. So it will form the major product as a 2-bromopropane and the minor product as a 1-bromopropane. In the mechanism of this Markovnikov rule, in first step, this propene, on this propene H plus ion will add here. This is the 2-degree carbocations and 1-degree carbocations will form, in which 2-degree carbocations, this is more stable. So that's why this 2-degree carbocation bromide will attack on this and it will form the 2-bromopropane, 2-carbopropane as a major product. Another rule is the anti-Markovnikov rule, or we called as a peroxide effect. This rule is applied on the free radical mechanism, and this is applied by only for the addition of HBr. In this rule, we use the peroxides like hydrogen peroxide H2O2 or benzoyl peroxides. In this reaction, HBr will attack on the unsymmetrical alkenes, and this rule is contrary to the Markovnikov's rule, and these reactions take place in the non-polar solvent. In the mechanism of this anti-Markovnikov rule, in initiation step, the homolytic fission of this hydrogen peroxide will occur and it will form the OH radical, and this OH radical will react on the HBr to form the this radical, free radical, and water will form. In the propagation step, this bromo free radical will attack on the isobutylene derivative, and this will form this 3-degree free radical, and this will attack on HBr to form this alkyl bromide. And in the termination step, these two bromo free radical will form the bromine, and this isopropyl derivative will form this, the molecule will form, two molecule will attack and form this molecule. Thank you. If you like this video, just click on the like button, and if you did not subscribe my channel, just subscribe my channel.